Guys, welcome back to my channel once again. So in this video, I'm actually going to be showing you on how you can able to connect your Meshchain to a Web3 wallet step by step. So if this is your first time coming across to this channel, make sure to stick to this video. Alright, so before you'll be able to connect your wallet, make sure to come to their community section over here. So this is their community section over here. Currently they're having over 3 million plus subscribers. So when it comes to the exchange, that you see that this link over here, they just posted on 23rd. So come to 23rd and check it. So make sure that you come here and click on it and you copy the link over here. So when you copy the link, this is what you have to do. So go to any Chrome browser, whether Google Chrome or any browser that you want, then go and paste it there. Alright, so this is the interface over here. This is the wallet connect to wallet section over here. Alright, so before I continue, this is my YouTube channel over here. If this is your first time coming across to my channel, make sure to do me a favor by subscribing to this channel and also turn on the notification bell so that whenever I release a new video, YouTube will also notify you as soon as possible. And you can also do me a favor by subscribing, by liking this video, and also share it for more people to also watch this video. Alright, so whilst we are also mining a Meshchain, this is also a star over here. So as you see, it has left almost 33 days for us to grab our 100,000 share. So in this video, this is also a Telegram airdrop which is also doing well massively. So in this video, I'm also going to be showing you this step by step on also how you can able to jump to this star airdrop over here and also accumulate more points over here. So I will leave a link in the description whereby you can click on it and join us if you are interested. So don't forget to also join star airdrop whilst we are also working on a Meshchain airdrop. Alright, so we are back again on the Meshchain airdrop. So in this video, make sure to stick to this video. Don't skip this video, because when you skip this video, you are also going to be missing an important details from it. So first of all you have to do is to click on connect wallet section over here. Click on connect wallet. Alright, so there will be a bunch of options for you to. This is a wallet connect, Coinbase wallet, MetaMask, Trust wallet, and SafePower, and so forth over here. So currently I'm actually going to be showing you the best one which will suit you. So click on this one, wallet connect section over here. Alright, so when I click on the wallet section, there will be a bunch of wallet that for you to select in order to. So this is a Web3 wallet over here that we are actually going to be connect our wallet. So make sure that you connect to a wallet that you think you currently used to. So without further ado, let's jump to this video. So click on the select wallet over here. Alright, so it has opened to this thing over here. So this one is Bybit, Binance, Bybit, OKX, Gather.io, Trust Wallet, and MetaMask. So for the purpose of this video, I'm actually going to be using OKX. You can also choose to use Binance, Bybit, any wallet that you think it will suit you. So I'm actually going to be choosing OKX over here. Then click on just one. So they are saying that I should connect my wallet. Then click on the connect wallet over here, and it is connecting. And guys, you see that it has officially connected. So we can see that it has officially connected. So this is how you have to check whether your wallet is connected. So scroll up and also see this check mark. So it has connected. So if I want to disconnect, just I will click on it and click on disconnect. Then I have disconnected it. So you can connect it and also disconnect, and also reconnect to any exchange that you want. So in this video, this is what I have for you. If you like this video, do me a favor by liking this video and also subscribe to my channel once again for more updates. So this is what I have for you, and I will be bringing you more updates on Meshchain.ai very soon. That's what I have for you. Peace out.